Signing into a YouTube account on TV is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To sign in to your YouTube account on a TV, you will typically use the YouTube app on a smart TV or a streaming device connected to your TV. The process can vary slightly depending on the brand of your TV and the specific app version, but here are general steps you can follow. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the YouTube app, but you can usually find it on the home screen or in the app menu. Look for an option like Sign In and Settings, or a similar option within the YouTube app. This might be in the app's menu or settings. Choose the Sign In option. You may be presented with an activation code on your TV screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to the YouTube activation website, which is youtube.com/activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen into the appropriate field on the activation website. Sign in with your Google account credentials. Once signed in to the activation website, return to your TV. The YouTube app should recognize the sign-in, and your account should be linked.